Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on LinkedIn. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in linkedin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official LinkedIn website within which you will be asked to log into your account. Now, if you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password option underneath the password box, and you will be asked to enter your email address or your phone number. Type in either one of these that you used while signing up for your account, and then click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to the email or phone that you just typed in. So check within your SMS or your inbox, and you will find your verification PIN sent from LinkedIn. Just type in this code within the verification box and click on the submit button. You will now be allowed to create a new password for your account. Type in your desired new password underneath the new password box and then type it in once again to confirm it. You can then click on the submit button and this will change your password right away. You can click on the go to LinkedIn option and now you will be logged into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.